Got him. Got him. Oh my God. That's not going your net, dude. My rod's gonna break. Oh my God. There's another one. Looks pretty nice out. Oh, it's getting heavy, Jesus. Yeah, 61 and a half. I don't know when this was last updated. Well, it's still dropping, 60. So I brought my thermometer. So in Sutersville, it's 65 and a half degrees. Ohio Powell was 56 and a half. We had 60. Dead middle, like literally right in the middle of.
I knew it wasn't going to be as hot as it is in Sutersville.
Right, and I knew it wasn't going to be as cold as it is in Ohio Powell, but I always figured it would be colder than warmer. Hey, you guys want these?
My God.
I mean, you don't have to take them either, but.
I'll be like, yay!
Is that another fish floating up right there? That's a smallie. No, it's trout. It literally just floated up right now. Oh, he kicked those. He's still like half alive. Is there? Can you tell what it is? Probably. There's something else right there. I think it's another trout.
Yeah.
Is there a trout? Or? Oh, yeah, dead trout. Another dead trout. That's like 4 now.
What's that?
Yeah, what's that?
It's the women. That's a Palomino.
Oh.
2 of them right there in front of you.
Oh, they moved. Oh, there's one over there. No, he went for it. He went for it.
He went for it.
Oh, there's another dead one right there. Oh my God, there's so many dead trout. There's one. Trout. Oh my God. So that's 2 trout I lost. You see how far out of the water he came? Oh my God. There's one. Oh. Oh, there's one. Oh. Oh. He wanted it, it was too close to the kayak. Oh, I'm getting wet. Holy shit. Ah. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There's the first fish in the boat. Oh, what was that? Oh, there's another one. Oh. Yeah. Dink. Oh. What the f happened? Oh my God. You've got to be shitting me. It's the second bad thing that's happened already.
I'm a frog.
Smells of dead, rotting fish. Oh my God. I can't catch a fish, I might as well clean the river a little bit. I just feel like I'm not gonna catch anything nice. Unless it's like a Troutzilla or something. I feel like it'd be a good spot for a muskie. Oh! Giant walleye. Come up, looked at it, and turned away. Giant. I mean, giant. That was like Rick Nicholson walleye. I should have twitched it. I just let it sit because it looked like he wanted it sitting there, but I don't think it was a muskie. I'm pretty sure it was a walleye. I can see the stripes, you know? Well, we're recording on this one. Hopefully it lasts.
Oh. Big, dude.
Oh. Oh my God, what is it? Oh my God, it's like a 10-pound trout. Oh my God. Oh. Dude, it's like a shark. Like, oh God.
Set the hook on him good. I hope he got it good.
That's the biggest trout I've ever seen. I think so. It was real dark. I mean, unless you snagged a carp or something, but no, that's giant, dude. Oh my God. Oh my God, look how big it is, dude. Oh my God. Oh, dude. Oh my God, dude. Holy shit, dude. Oh my God.
I gotta get out of here.
Yeah, come to the shore. Dude, I saw it. I was like, that's bigger than a carp.
I know I set the hook in him good. I figured I was gonna lose him. You help me up real quick.
Yep. Good.
Dude, that is.
Oh my God. I've never seen a trout that big in my life. That's bigger than all the other ones we caught.
Yeah. There has to be a holdover then. Yeah, dude, there ain't no way they just stalked this. Oh, dude, that is a beautiful fish.
Yeah, it is. Oh my God, dude. The head on that thing is huge. All right, let's see. $153.4 ounces. I don't know what that is.
Convert that real quick.
It's very heavy. Oh wait, I think I might have figured it out. Yep, there's pounds.
You got it? 9-pound trout.
9.28.
Dude, what a behemoth.
Right? Oh my God.
Holy crap, dude.
25 and a half.
That is a lunker, dude.
Yep, that's giant. There's no tag on them either. All those lunkers they stocked, they said they were tagged. Yeah, I mean,
There
well, there he goes.
There he goes.
Oh, he's swimming. He's good. Look at that. Little guy. I watched him come and eat it. Little guy. There we go. He's on the deck. Oh. Oh, I got something. I don't know, it's big. It's big. It's gotta be a muskie. Maybe another walleye. It's coming right towards me. Muskie, muskie. Wait, no, it's a pike. I think it's a pike. It's not that big. It's not that big. It's strong, but I mean, it's big, but it ain't. It's a pike. My net's definitely not big enough for that. Nice. It's not big. I mean, it's nice. It's my biggest pike ever, but it's not giant. Nice. Oh, it's on my shoe. Oh no. Okay. Oh my God. That is my second ever pike. I don't know what to do. This is probably not on.
This is probably not on.
It's not. Oh, it came off. Nice. Let me get that out of there.
Yeah, I'll just give you the whole thing.
Oh my God. God, yeah. So, chill out. Oh.
Probably like a, I don't know, it's probably a 30.
Oh.
I don't know. Do they have teeth?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They're like musky.
I really don't want to get bit right now. Oh my God, that's teeth. Oh, you son of a...
Oh yeah,
oh my...
your net was definitely not big enough.
No. I'm just gonna hope I can hold him. Like that.
28.
28.
They're prettier.
I'm gonna lose this guy. I'm just gonna...
I like Pike better than Musky.
I wanna... He's gonna flip, I can tell. Oh, oh, oh. There he goes.
Well,
whatever.
Sorry.
His mouth wasn't big enough to really hold him. You know what I mean? I hope so. Yep. Nice. At least we got that. Every time I got my fingers where I could hold him, my thumb was on his teeth.
That was my next question. How big was it?
28.
28. It wasn't that heavy. What? 5 pounds, maybe 6. I don't know. So that's 2 cool fish for the trip then. That was fun. Hopefully the camera's got some good. I just for a split second wanted to go like this. That's on that S waver that Mike gave me to use. He's like, throw this. Like, all right. I had it for like a month now. Oh, he still got me.
Fortunately, talked it into existence. You're like, he's gonna flop off.
I knew if I turned him, he was gonna flop. Even though I still, like, I'm bleeding everywhere. There was no way I was holding that thing. It just, yo, very slimy. It's worse than a trout. Well, I mean, it's almost close enough. It's like the same basic thing.
How do you tell the difference?
The spots and a little bit of the color and the spots. So the pike have horizontal, like, little pills. And muskie, like a real muskie, will just be bare with like a little bit of camo looking stuff. A tiger muskie will have like stripes, vertical. Oh, I should have grabbed them with my scale. Then I could have just held the scale. I got too excited. Second ever pike. First ever pike on the Yacht. That may be the first pike I've ever seen in person from the Yacht. I have to rewatch the footage to see what I was doing with this glod bait when he ate it. I don't think I was doing much. On the S waver that Mike lent me about a month and a half ago and told me to throw. Should have been throwing it the whole time. I mean, for a pike, I'd call it like a medium size. It's not really tiny. It definitely wasn't big though. But pike don't get quite as big as muskie. Wait, what? Really? I don't think we're beating that. Yeah, exactly. Beat that. How long was my pike? I forgot already.
28.
28? Yeah, I got a 28 and you got an 8 pounder. It's weird because over there, I never catch anything over there. That's musky territory.
I'm gonna try to catch a muskie on my bug bait.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure I'll eat it. Is there? You want me to cast over there? Oh, is he? Still there? Let me back up a little bit. Is he big? I hope he eats it, but I don't want to lose Mike's S waver either. Oh, he's still up there. Let me know if he starts leaving. You still see him? I don't want to hit you.
Perfect, bring it back. Put it down, maybe?
There he is! Got him! Got him! Yes, dude! Yes! It's big. Don't come off. Oh my God, it's massive. Oh my God, your net, there's no way that's going in your net. No way that's in your net. Dude, Sean, this is like 6 foot long. Right underneath me. Oh my God, dude. Sean, oh my God. Oh my God.
I told you.
That's not going in your net, dude. I'm freaking out, dude. Oh my God.
Get him here.
Oh my God, Sean. Don't come off, bud. Don't come, oh my. Oh my God, dude. I can't even pull him. Please don't come off. My rod's gonna break. Don't come off. Dude, oh my God.
Fucking keep spinning.
Yeah, he does. Here. Dude, he's never going that net, dude. Dude, there's no way. All those treble hooks, dude, I don't know what we're gonna do. Let me pull him over this way. Here you go. There you go. That's it. Yeah. Scoop, scoop. Yeah! Oh! Oh shit! Oh no no no! Oh, he's off. He's off. You got him. He's in the net. He broke off.
You gotta grab him now.
Where's my scale?
Oh my God.
I'm shaking, dude.
Get him.
It's too big. He's too big. I got him. I got him. I got him. Hopefully he don't come off. Oh my God.
Dude, that's crazy. I hooked him with the net. What the?
Dude, I can't pick him up. Dude, oh my God, he weighs like 40 pounds. Oh, oh my God.
I gotta get your board, dude.
It's got a floating thing. Oh my God.
I'm getting bored. Hold on.
Hold on, give me pliers. Just give me, I don't want to get hooked. Hold on, I got pliers. Oh my God, I'm panicking. Dude, I can't even move. I'm shaking so hard. Dude, he's hooked so good.
You got your first muskie, dude.
Dude, it's giant.
I'm trying to grab you.
Dude, he's hooked so good. If he thrashes right now, I'm so...
Dude, get him in your boat.
Dude, not with these troubles, dude. I'll get my pliers.
They're a little rusty. You know what's crazy is this is a big fish, and the one I caught was like double this.
Really?
It was huge.
Don't thrash. Oh, I'm gonna get hooked so bad. This is bad.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
Got it. Got it. Dude, this is... Oh, dude, it's so heavy. Oh my God, dude.
He's like,
Dude, it weighs so much.
No, I'll get it, John. I'm right.
Don't come off. I want to put him in for a minute. Let me get my scale on.
He broke his line and his thing was hooked to my net still.
Pound.
We're not the metric system.
There's no way it's 12. I already had weight on it. I had to. Let me get him in the water. First ever in Musky. Giant. Oh, you got my board? Here, come over to the board, yeah. He's on. I don't think he's coming off. I'm going to keep him in the water.
You want me to lift him up when I stand up? Get a weight on
Yeah,
him?
if you want me, make sure it's reset. I think he's longer than his board.
15, 16.
Pounds?
1586.
All right, here, let me put it on the board real quick. That's fucking biggest fish I ever caught.
I knew you'd get him with that. That's why I was right there.
Let's see.
He's probably too long.
Oh, yeah.
My paddle. What's it go to?
He's probably 38. I think he's 38. 36. Is right here, 36 and a half. It's 38.
Oh, it goes to 36.
All right, I'm gonna release him. Dude, I'm covered in slime. Okay. There goes 4. When he kicks, as soon as he kicks, I'm gonna let him go. Oh, there he goes. He's all right. He's all right. Oh, there he goes. He's all right. He's all right. He'll be all right. He just wants to be on your kayak. I did it. I've been waiting for that so long. He might have been 39. I don't think he was quite 40 though. That's the biggest fish I ever caught in my whole life. Like I was having trouble like getting him in the boat, dude. Well, I think it's because he's so long. I'm like, it's like a shoulder press. You know what I mean? Dude, I love the Yacht. I don't think there's a better place to be. On Mike's Sexy Shad S Waiver. Like we just tore it up today. As shitty as the fishing is, we just caught all kinds of crazy shit.
Yeah,
I'm so glad I learned the scale lesson on the Pike. Or that would have been bad. I was shaking too. I'm like, I always told myself I had a plan of what I was gonna say when I had one, completely out the window. That fish, I'll just say it now, that fish is the most hated and loved fish in this river. You'll see guys, trout guys, maybe some other kind of guys, if they catch a muskie like that, they kill it and throw it in the bank. And then you got guys like us, like we're not going after them, but like you catch one and it's like the coolest shit that's gonna happen for the day because it's a monster. That to me, it's like the pinnacle. Like if I could catch a 23-inch smallie, I'm gonna feel the same way. But like I love that, and I love catching like different shit. So like giant smallie is always on my radar, but like a giant trout is amazing. A giant muskie, that's even crazier because it's so rare. If I caught a giant carp, I'd be happy. A giant drum, I'd be happy. You know, I'm always going for smallies, but like these surprises to me is what makes the trip amazing, you know? Especially when you're having a shitty day of fishing, you know, and I'm barely catching any smallies. 20-pound fluoro just broke it. I think that's the key to all this too, is like, when you're having a shitty day, is like the perfect day to just throw different shit. Just try something different. Oh my God. Well, game over. Game over. That's bad. That's bad.